Yes, many plumbers are licensed and qualified to install gas lines, but not all plumbers are allowed to do this work since it depends on the specific license they hold and the rules in their state or city. Here's the thing most people do not realize. Gas line work is actually a specialty that requires its own certification in most places, separate from a regular plumbing license. Think of it like this: a plumber knows how to handle water pipes really well, kind of like someone who is great at riding a bicycle. But gas line work is more like riding a motorcycle. It looks similar, but the risks are much higher and the training is different. Some plumbers go through extra schooling and testing to earn what is called a gas fitter or gas line certification, and only then are they legally allowed to connect, repair, or install gas lines. In some states, this work actually falls under a completely different trade called a gas fitter, and in other states it might require an additional stamp on their plumbing license. The interesting part that barely anyone talks about is that gas lines need a pressure test after installation, where the line is filled with air and monitored to make sure there are absolutely no leaks before the gas company will even turn on the service. One big mistake homeowners make is assuming that because someone is a licensed plumber, they are automatically approved for gas work, so always ask to see their specific gas certification before hiring them. Another common misconception is thinking gas line work does not need a permit, when in reality most cities require an inspection afterward, and skipping this step can actually void your home insurance if something goes wrong later. A third thing to watch out for is hiring someone based on the cheapest price alone, since gas work mistakes can lead to leaks or fires, so it is worth spending a little more for someone with verified experience and proper insurance. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app called JobIt Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.